Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2016 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, stability control, tire pressure monitor, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, steel wheels, brake assist, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.